In this lesson, I'm going to show you 6 ways to play the E7 chord. Here it goes. So the first way we're going to learn it is in the open position. Here it goes. We're only going to use 2 fingers. We're going to put our second finger on the 2nd fret of the 5th string, and we're going to put our first finger on the 1st fret of the 3rd string, and we're going to strum all 6 strings. Okay, also I want to mention the makeup of the chord. It's 4 notes. The root is E, the 3rd is G sharp, the 5th is B, and then the flat 7th is D. Now the second way, all we do is add our pinky or 4th finger to the 3rd fret of the 2nd string. The third way is by adding 1 more finger. So we keep all those fingers down and we add our 3rd finger underneath our 2nd, so it's on the 2nd fret, 4th string. The fourth way to play the E7 chord, and what is considered in the cage system the C shape, and we're going to play 3rd finger, 7th fret, 5th string. Then we're going to use our 2nd finger on the 6th fret, 4th string, 4th finger on the 7th fret, 3rd string, and 1st finger on the 5th fret of the 2nd string. Now we can just strum strings 5 to 2, or in this case we can strum all 6 strings if you desire that sound. So it's very similar to our C chord shape. If you take off your pinky and slide it down to the 1st fret, it's just like a C chord. Move it up to the 5th position, add the pinky. The 5th way I'm going to show you is in the 7th position. So we're at the 7th fret. We're going to bar 5 strings from the 5th string to the 1st string. And then we're going to put our 3rd finger down on the 9th fret, 4th string, and we're going to put our 4th finger on the 9th fret, 2nd string. This would be called our A shape according to the cage system. And the last way I'm going to show you how to play the E7 chord is the same as the first way. We learned it, but we're going to put our 3rd and 2nd finger instead of our 1st finger, and we're going to slide those all the way up to the 13th and 14th fret, and we're going to bar all 6 strings. Any chord that has no open strings is movable. So if this is E7, I move down to D sharp or E flat, whatever you want to call it. Now I know an E flat 7th chord. Let's say I go to the 5th fret. I know this note's A. Now I'm playing an A7 chord. Don't discount that there's many other ways to play this chord, but those are the first ways I would learn it. I want to also let you know if you want free chord charts, check out the link in the bio. Thanks so much for watching this video. If you haven't already, please like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and we'll see you in the next lesson.